Hello guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Hi Michelle, how are you?
I am too much busy. Right?
Busy ha? Yeah. Nandito kami ngayon sa Skiko sa isang customer namin. Sawi? Pumunta kami dito kasi yung complaint ng customer ay oil seal leaking in the hub. This type of unit, this self air filling. If your tire is puncture, the air is here. The air is if you activate the air, and then coming here inside axle, and then the air is going out, and then your tire is filling the air. This is called the self-filling air. Ito ay kusang naglalagay ng hangin sa gulong. Kaya ito dito, ito yung hangin niya. Ngayon, yung oil seal niya kasi tumatagas. Kaya pag if i-activate mo yung hangin, tapos pag magkarga ka ng hangin sa gulong mo, yung langis niya sumasama sa hangin, kaya yung gulong niya napupuno ng langis. Kaya magpalit kami ngayon ng oil seal, kaso lang wala kaming special tools nito. Kaya tatanong muna kami dito sa may-ari. Kasi ano to Saudi Electric Company. Ito yung mga gulong niya guys. Look, this tire is bigger than me. Sobrang laki po. Ito yung tire niya. See? Yung tire niya ito, napakalaki. This type of axle is hub reduction type. So see.